Hello, baby!
Hello, baby! Your smile is beautiful. You look like Linda Evangelista.
Trash.
Hello, everyone! Welcome back to my new hair color. I mean, I also grew my hair. I'm like really good at that. Okay, guys, I'm really excited. I don't know how to film a reveal video about a makeup product that will be launching soon that has to do with me because I never did it before. So there's a reason why my hair is like this. There's a reason why I'm wearing these amazing lashes, and there's a reason this is behind me. I already announced it on Instagram. There will be a Melody Lashes x Naomi Jon collection coming soon. Let's just start right from the beginning. Should I just show her or should I say something else? Should I don't know what
I mean, they're all gonna skip to when you're finally showing it anyway.
Don't you dare skip! So as you guys know from my Instagram teaser, it is a collaboration with Melody Lashes, and I mean, I guess it's not really difficult to know that these are gonna be lashes. Alright, let's just look at her! That's my baby! And nobody finna touch her! How do I talk about it and show her my face at the same time? Like this? How do I do this now? You can't see anything because it just brightens my face and the background is really dark. So before I go into detail for every product, let me just say this collection will be sold October the 1st on melodylashes.com. The international babies can buy the lashes from melodylashes.com, which is great. They ship internationally, they ship everywhere you want them to ship. Also, you can of course buy it from dm.de online and also in DM, which is so exciting. It's literally in a German drugstore drugstore. Mark October the 1st in your calendar. This is gonna be the date you can get the full collection. This is important. So let's get back to the collection. This is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. You can see we kind of thought about giving each lash a different hair color and vibe. So as you can see, we've got 4 different types of lashes with 4 different illustrations, which I am in love with. I look so good on these. Maybe even a bit better than in reality. We also have a lash tool set. And my favorite thing in the whole wild world, together with the lashes obviously, but we got the broccoli hand mirror. So let's get into the lashes because that's something we've been waiting for, that's something I've been waiting for, that's something Vincent's been waiting for. Taco has been dying to see them. And actually that's the pair of lashes we're gonna start with. So this pair is called Taco! These are the Taco lashes, which are really, really intense. I'm wearing them right now at the moment in this very video. The Taco lashes have the look of my pink and orange hair, which was really iconic and I kind of miss it. These are probably the most intense pair of lashes out of the whole collection, and I really, really wanted to create lashes that are intense. I mean, some people even wear these on a daily, and I mean, I do that sometimes, but I think these are so perfect for like a night out look, like really intense one, and they are just so fluffy like Taco. If you didn't know, Taco is my cat. He's got long fluffy hair, and these are just the perfect embodiment of my fluffy cat Taco. What you didn't know is we actually ripped off his fur. No, I'm just kidding. Before I carry on, I gotta say all of the lashes will be sold for a price of $13.99. Did I say that? Synthetic? I don't know when to say things. I'm sorry for this super chaotic video. I just don't know how to do things and how to like actually give proper information. I always do chaotic videos and this is just not my style. They are synthetic, they are vegan, they are cruelty free. So Melody Lashes has produced not vegan lashes in the past, but that's over now. They're only producing synthetic lashes now, and they are vegan and cruelty free. And I love when a brand just like decides to go vegan and they just got this different kind of mindset now. I mean, of course, we also talked about it and it's just great. And of course, my lashes are all over synthetic and no animal had to suffer for them.
Except taco.
Except taco. I really gotta say this is a joke. I'm scared people are actually gonna think that we did that. Now that I said all the important things, I think we can carry on with the even more important things. Let's carry on with chili. Yes, of course, I had to throw both of my cats into my collection. For chili, we have my pink hairstyle, which I also really miss. You always want the hairstyle, you just don't have at the moment. It's just how it is. Anyway, as you can see, chili is kind of similar to taco because, well, obviously they're cat bros. But chili is like way shorter and has more of this kind of wispy feeling. Obviously, chili also is a short-haired cat. It just makes so much sense. I mean, chili is still kind of an intense lash for people who don't wear like lashes on a daily or like more often. But it's still a bit more subtle than taco. I think it's like the less va-va-voom version of taco if you just want to go a little bit like, ooh, you know? Ooh. Next, we have my green broccolomi hair era. These lashes are called Chaos, which is also my life, let's be honest. This is just what I've built my channel on and it will always be part of my life. And right here you can see the lashes. They are not as wispy as the other ones. I thought it would be like a great alternative to just have like really thick, chaotic lashes, but still not as intense as chili and taco. It's still like the third little sister of these two. I mean, Chaos is still a bit wispy, but like not as wispy as taco and chili. Oh my god, why do you focus on the Naomi in the background? I'm the real one. And now let's get to the last pair of lashes, which are these ones. I'm wearing my OG blue hair on this one, which I'm also wearing right now, as you can see. And these are called Vincent!
Look, I'm wearing them right now.
That's not true. Get out. Oh. I mean, you definitely have very long lashes naturally. If you would curl them, they would probably look like this. Anyway, this is the natural pair of lashes out of this collection. I just felt like I really wanted to have natural lashes in here because me, myself, and I know it's hard to believe, but I also love to wear natural lashes from day to day. Just like on the daily basis. And then people think that's my real lashes. And I'm like, no, it's Vincent.
It's me, bitch.
I also know there are people out there who want like not super intense lashes, more like very natural lashes which you can just wear every day. Or I even used to wear these kinds of lashes when I was going out when I was younger, because they still do a lot for your eye, let me tell you that. And what's also great about these is they have an invisible lash band, and I know a lot of people prefer an invisible lash band because it's also way easier to apply. The lash band of these is quite long. I mean, they fit perfectly onto my eye, but I also think I have long eyes, wide eyes. I don't know how you say it, but it's like super easy to just cut the end part off. If I have to shorten the lash band, I always cut off the outer part of it because then it basically looks like they've just always been like this. I also got a lot of comments when I posted my teaser that people hope for lashes they can wear with their glasses on, and I honestly think Vincent is a really, really good pair of lashes for people with glasses. I haven't tried it, to be honest. I think it should work. My brain just did that. So yeah, Vincent is for my natural babies out there. Why the name Vincent? I think you just know why, because Vincent is a part of my life and he is indeed a natural beauty. That is why I chose his name for the natural lashes. First he was kind of offended. He was like,
why do I get the natural lashes? Am I boring to you?
And I'm like,
No, Vincent, that is not boring. That is natural beauty.
and yes, that concludes all of my 4 pairs of lashes: Chili, Taco Chaos, and Vincent. And I really think there's a lash for everyone in there. It doesn't matter if you want to go natural or va-va-voom or something in between. And I mean, who doesn't want Naomi's at home? Yeah, me neither. Let's get to my lash tool set. So of course we have my own lash glue and a pair of tweezers to apply your lashes with. So first of all, we have these tweezers. They are a bit different than normal tweezers. I kind of wanted like a little twist in there. These are tweezers especially for applying lashes. You can see that the tweezing part is just like perfect for grabbing your lash band. I don't really like those kinds of tweezers which are like thick down here, which have like a little, I just don't like these chunky kinds of tweezers because it's just so hard to get your lashes. So I wanted like a pointy one, and I think these are just so perfect for applying your lashes. You can still like press your own lashes together with the Naomi lashes. Well, there's no Naomi lashes, with the Taco Chili Chaos or Vincent lashes. And also on the other side, we have a little comb, which is also perfect for just like combing through your lashes and the lashes you just applied, and for also melting them together. And next we have another very, very dearly favorite of mine, which is the putting on this lash glue is not the most boring thing in the Oh, that was not the Amazing. So I mean, if you've been on my channel for quite some time, you know my putting on the slash glue is the most boring thing in the world song. I know it's a very short title, but this time we have my own lash glue, and honestly guys, I mean, this is just not the most boring thing in the world anymore. It's just straight up fire. I personally am very picky when it comes to lash glues. I don't like lash glues with a latex base because I feel like they don't really stick that well. It's just not gluey enough. So this is latex free, and also it is a white, well, see-through lash glue. I mean, I personally like black lash glues, but I know that most people don't like that and they just prefer this kind of lash glue, and I still want to create a product for you guys which you like. So I decided this would be like the better option to go with because it's just very easy to handle. Also, I think it smells really good. I don't know if it's just me. I mean, it doesn't smell like flowers or anything, but I just really like the smell of it. Oh no, now you guys think I'm like on drugs, like on my own lash glue. I really also like the applicator because it's this kind of plasticky hard applicator. I don't like these squeezing out kind of lash glues because there's always so much product coming out and just squirting everywhere, and I can't control the amount of lash glue I want to come out. That's why I have this. You can literally just put it in there and there you have it. And this is so easy to apply. You just slide it on your lashes and then that's it. So wait, we need a short name for this. So I know that putting on this lash glue is not the most boring thing, is like a long title, so I did a shortcut for you guys. It's the POTLGINTMBTIDW lash glue.
That could be a RuPaul song.
I also love that there's like a tit in there. I am a freaking fan of this lash glue. So this concludes my Naomi Jon Melody Lashes lash tool set, and this will also be sold for 13.99 euros. So right here we have the Queen of Chaos broccoli hand mirror. You have like a little thingy down here and you can slide it out. Damn, I look broccolicious today. This is just a freaking broccoli hand mirror. I don't think there's anything else to say about this. In the back you can see the little Queen of Chaos imprint by Naomi Jon. The good thing about it is you can see yourself in it. Maybe we can see Vincent. Hang on. Where is you? Is that you? Wow! Ooh. So this Queen of Chaos hand mirror will be sold for 14.99 euros. That is my Melody Lashes Naomi Jon collection, and I am so happy with it. I always said to myself, if I would ever come out with a makeup product, it would be lashes, because I can really identify myself with this product. And Melody Lashes is just such a great brand who would even let me come out with a freaking broccoli hand mirror. So props to you, Melody Lashes. It's been a joy working with them. They just really want to capture the Naomi Jon essence. It's just been so great because they never said like, oh no, that's not possible, oh no, that's not us, or whatever. They just really wanted me to give my everything. I just really love Melody Lashes. I know they're not like a super known international huge ass brand, but that's what makes them so lovable for me. And I would really suggest you guys to just try out the lashes. Well, preferably the Naomi Jon collection. They just speak for themselves, and I just really love them.
We did not say that you can have this kind of fun with the broccoli mirror.
Fun. I'm just so excited about this project. As I said, I've never released a makeup product, and this is just such a baby of mine, which we've been working on forever. I know everyone says that. I know that's like, oh, we've been working on it for 3 years and finally it's coming out. I'm getting emotional. I know everyone does it, but it's just, it's like something is born. It feels like pressing a baby out of your vagina.
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. October the 1st, 1. October. As soon as they are out, I would love to see them on your eyes. I mean, so far, I'm the only person that has ever worn these lashes, and well, Vincent. And they look gorgeous on Vincent. So I'm really sure they will all look gorgeous on you. I just really want to see you guys' pictures. If you ever post them, please use the hashtag MelodyLashesX Naomijon in your story on your post. Okay, I think I said everything I wanted to say. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on, Naomijon on, and the Naomijon on. Don't forget to buy your Naomijon X Melody lashes, and also check out Melody Lashes on
Instagram.
Yeah.
Tag me in your Vincent lashes pics.
Thank you guys for existing, and
You're welcome.
thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And hopefully when the Melody Lashes X Naomijon collection is launching, I hope I will see you then. Let's give her a moment.
Den letzten Satz habe ich nicht verstanden.
Let's give her a moment.
Den vorletzten Satz.
I hope I will see them, wenn der Launch kommt auf der Seite.
Ah.